And so what we're looking at here is the logic and maths behind TronMakers smart contract. So in the previous 6 videos we've looked at each level and the entry cost and the amount that you would make. And so what this video does is brings it all together under the smart contract. And so what you find is that by the time you've got level 1 you have 5, then you go to level 6, after upgrading you have 10 lines. So these are all up lines above you. And so what happens is that all these people come into the contract. So you have the total partners equals this amount. The profit per partners is this amount. That's how much they pay out of their initial deposit that you receive. And the total profit is this amount at the bottom here. So the total of all these profits, so partners times what they pay in, total Tron profit from 6 levels is 97.8 million over 90 days, and then it recycles again. So when you pay in with the 1,000 Tron on level 1, 5 people get 180, and then 100 goes to the contract, admins, and then so forth. So then that actually pays for a 90-day stake, as it were, and then all the people flood in through. So the first launch is going to be on 1st of September. Get into the pre-sale now. You can use the link below to join our team. We are the biggest team, and we've only just got started, so it's going to be exciting. And you do need a Tron wallet or something similar on a Chrome browser, which you can add in as an extension, and obviously Tron in it, and you can get that on exchanges, etc. And then you need to open up the link in the description below, and then they will connect, and then you can click on the join button. Make sure you use the code provided, ID code, and then you will join our team, and it will then open up a smart contract agreement. You just sign that, and then it will debit the 1,000 for level 1. Now we're only on level 2 at the moment, so don't go past that, so that you stay with the team, and then you can go forward with the team. So it's pretty exciting stuff. You're getting on pre-sale early times, and it's only close to 500 people, so it's early days. And yeah, feel free to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification for more. Leave any comments or questions you have in the just comment section, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as we can. Cheers.